Student, today is your English class and I am going to teach you English grammar, chapter number 2, kinds of sentences. In this chapter, we will understand the kinds of sentences: assertive, interrogative, exclamatory and imperative. Okay, so let's start. There are four different kinds of sentences. Okay, there are four different kinds of sentences. Number one is assertive, interrogative, exclamatory, imperative. Okay, there are four different kinds of sentences. We have four different kinds of sentences. We have four different kinds of sentences. Okay, number one is assertive, interrogative, exclamatory and imperative. So first we will understand that what are assertive sentences. An assertive sentence makes a statement. An assertive sentence makes a statement. It can be of two kinds. Students, assertive sentence makes a sentence. It is also of two kinds: A, affirmative, B, negative. First is affirmative and second is negative. So let's take some examples. In affirmative sentence, she is late, the sun has risen, Misha ran fast, he lives in Delhi, Anu can speak English. Okay, she is late, it is an affirmative sentence. The sun has risen, it is also an affirmative sentence. Misha ran fast, it is also an affirmative sentence. He lives in Delhi, Anu can speak English. They both are affirmative sentences. And in negative sentence, when not is given, in negative sentence, when not is given in any sentence, it is said to be negative sentence. First is she is not late. Not is given in this sentence, so it is also a negative sentence. The sun has not risen. Not is also given in this sentence. That is why it is also a negative sentence. Misha did not run fast. Not is given here also. He doesn't live in Delhi. Anu can't speak English. As you can see that not is given in all the sentences. That is why they all are negative sentences. Okay. So students, the next one is interrogative sentence. The next one is interrogative sentence. An interrogative sentence asks a question. Always remember, student, that an interrogative sentence asks a question. Okay, such a sentence ends with a question mark. One thing you have to remember, students, is that an interrogative sentence always ends with a question mark. An interrogative sentence always ends with a question mark. Okay, so let's take some example. First is, what is your father? Question mark. Second is, do you play cricket? Question mark. Third is, can you lift this box? Question mark. Fourth is, where are you going? Question mark. Fifth is, did Namya sing a song? Question mark. And the sixth one is, what is your name? Question mark. So they all are interrogative sentences because all the sentences ends with a question mark. As I told you before that an interrogative sentence ends with a question mark. Okay, as I told you before, students, that an interrogative sentence ends with a question mark, and all the sentences which are given here ends with a question mark. That is why they all are interrogative sentence. Okay, now the next one is exclamatory. Okay, an exclamatory sentence expresses a strong feeling. An exclamatory sentence expresses a strong feeling such as pleasure, anger, surprise, etc. Such as pleasure, anger, surprise, etc. Such a sentence ends with the sign of exclamation. Such a sentence ends with the sign of exclamation, and it is our exclamation mark. And it is our exclamation. Let's take some examples. First is, what a shame! Exclamation mark. A strong feeling is coming here. The second one is, how wonderful! Exclamation mark. How foolish he is! Exclamation mark. What a lovely flower! Exclamation mark. So all the sentences has finished with a question mark. As you can see, students, that all the sentences have exclamation mark. Okay, so they all are exclamatory sentences. The fourth one is imperative. An imperative sentence is a command, advice or request. An imperative sentence is a command, advice, request. For example, shut the door, help the poor, never tell a lie, please give me water. For example, shut the door. It is a command. It is a command. Okay. Help the poor. It is an advice. Never tell a lie. It is also an advice. Please give me water, and it is a request. Okay, so imperative sentence is a command, advice or request. As you can see, student, that the chapter has finished, and I will give you some exercises of this chapter which you have to solve it. Okay, thank you.